What's up, everybody? It's Brett here. I don't know about you, but I love tacos and I love Taco Tuesday. So today I'm going to be showing you the best Taco Tuesday places in downtown Long Beach. Let's go. So Sabrina and I recently moved to downtown Long Beach and we both love tacos, so I decided to search around town and see if I could find the best place for Taco Tuesday. We got 4 on the list with one special exception, so let's just get right into it. Our first place is Tequila Jack's. It's in Shoreline Village overlooking Rainbow Harbor, and you can tell just by looking at this view, it's a great place to start for Taco Tuesday. The specials here for Taco Tuesday come in at the lowest on the list at $1.20 per taco, but they only include chicken, pork, and steak. The steak taco actually looks really nice, especially with this avocado on top, and it had a really decent flavor. We ordered the fish tacos even though they were not part of the special. They were really good, they had a nice batter, and it was nice and crispy. The only thing is I would have wanted the sauce to have a little bit more of a kick. The other great thing about Tequila Jack's is that on Taco Tuesday, they also offer happy hour from 3 to 6 p.m. So for $5.95, you can get a margarita, select wines, or well drinks, and probably $1 or $2 off of certain beers. We ordered the margarita and that was actually pretty good. It was definitely a basic, house margarita mix, but it wasn't overly sugary and it was actually more salty, which I liked. Another plus of this restaurant is that they offer complimentary chips and salsa, which we haven't found to be super common around here, but we'll get to that later. Overall, Tequila Jack's is definitely some place that I would go back to, especially because of that view. Next is Long Beach Taco, located on First and Linden. This is definitely a more trendy place. It's in a trendier area of downtown, and you can tell by the murals on the inside, and definitely they have a little bit more of a nicer presentation to their tacos. The special here is $2 tacos all day except for the shrimp, fish, and the pork belly, which we had to get just because they sounded too good. All the tacos here were super delicious and I love the presentation of them. They also come with a really spicy chipotle sauce. The shrimp taco had a really nice seasoning that gave it a lot of kick, and it was overall really delicious. The sauce on the fish taco made the flavor of this one stand out, but it was very messy, so definitely be careful. The steak taco wasn't super tender, but it was also seasoned really well, so it packed a lot of flavor. The pork belly taco was surprisingly crispy, but huge, so the pieces were really hard to eat. This place also had the juiciest limes that I've ever seen. They just squeezed so easily onto the tacos, and all of the tacos just packed a bunch of flavor, and you could tell they were using fresh ingredients, which I really loved. And if you couldn't tell already, this is definitely another one that I'll be going back to. Our next place for Taco Tuesday is Leo's Mexican Grill, located on Broadway and Long Beach Boulevard. Leo's isn't the most flashy place, but its authenticity and definitely its prices make this a go-to for Taco Tuesday. The special on Tuesdays is $1.50 per taco except for the fish, which comes in at $1.75, and this counts for a few of their tacos that come in at different prices normally. This includes the soft taco, Mexican taco, and crispy taco. I ordered steak, carnitas, and fish soft tacos, and they were all amazing. If you want a classic taco done extremely well, come here because the deal is so good, especially if you're ordering beer. On Tuesdays, a Bud Light or a Tecate is $1.50. I didn't order this, so that's what they said over the phone, so don't quote me on that because it sounds like way too good of a deal for, a beach city and a downtown, but that's what they said. As for the tacos, the carnitas was super juicy and flavorful and paired really well with the green salsa. The asada was also well done, especially due to all the toppings. I really like the red sauce on this one. The red sauce could have been spicier since it was very mild, but for people who don't like spice, you'll definitely like this sauce. The grilled fish taco was amazing. It had tons of flavor. I think there was a spicy mayo sauce on there too that gave it a lot of character. It paired really great with the orange salsa because it was super spicy, but it also had tons of flavor in it as well. I'm a big fan of spicy food, so be careful with the orange salsa if you don't handle spice well. Altogether, Leo's Mexican Grill is a great place to go for Taco Tuesday, especially if your focus is on the meal and if you don't care about the view or table service since this is a walk-up ordering restaurant. Also, if you want a beer with your meal, this will definitely be the cheapest and it won't compromise on flavor. The last place on the list for Taco Tuesday in downtown Long Beach is a place called Padre. It's connected to a bar called Mezcalero, which is upstairs and it opens later at night. On Tuesdays, they offer 2 tacos for $6 or 3 tacos for $9, which is basically $3 a taco, but I think what they're saying there is that you have to have a minimum of 2 tacos. They also have a $10 Tommy Margarita, which is normally $12 and is basically just a house margarita. They don't have happy hour on Tuesdays, so to my knowledge, this is the only drink special that they have on Taco Tuesday. Overall, this place is definitely not the best deal, but it has a really cool ambiance and a cool open patio that has a huge tent covering. The tacos were pretty good. The barbacoa was super tender and juicy and packed with flavor. All the toppings paired perfectly with the meat as well. I also noticed that the tortillas were made in-house, which is definitely an aspect that I really like. The carnitas was tender and juicy, but to me the seasoning was a bit off. Sabrina really liked the seasoning, so I guess it's just me. Overall, it was still delicious, especially once I added their green hot sauce. Once I did this, it definitely made it my absolute favorite of the 3 tacos that I got. The last one I got was chicken pastor, and I think this one was a little bit lackluster for me. I could definitely see other people liking it, especially if they're a big fan of chicken tacos, but it just didn't have that juiciness that all the other tacos had. Sabrina and I also got margaritas here. We didn't get them on specials, but she got the strawberry hibiscus margarita, and I got La Jamaica, and it was really good. We both love their margaritas here. It's our absolute favorite thing. So if you want to come for a margarita, I know this is separate from Taco Tuesday, but this is the place in Long Beach for margaritas. So this is the end of the list for Taco Tuesday restaurants in downtown Long Beach, but we do have one honorable mention. After this, I'll tell you my #1 pick for Taco Tuesday in downtown. So drop a comment below and let me know which one you think it's gonna be. And if you're enjoying the video so far, drop a like to show your support. Our honorable mention is called Fuego. It's located in the downtown waterfront area, which is more overlooking downtown than is actually located in downtown. While it does have tacos, I had the shrimp enchiladas, and they were amazing. Plating was super fancy and the food was very good. Sunset is a great time to come to this restaurant, but you really can't go wrong with this view any time of the day. Just know for tacos, they only serve them at lunch and I believe during happy hour, which I realized after going there for a late dinner. So now for the moment you've been waiting for, give me a drum roll. My favorite place for tacos in downtown Long Beach is Long Beach Taco. I really love this place not only because of the tacos, but also because of the vibe. It's got some really cool murals on the inside and a nice patio area outside if you want to just enjoy the sun or, if you have a dog. The best thing about this place is the tacos. They are just my favorite out of all of the restaurants on this list. The plating is super trendy. All of the tacos packed a ton of flavor and they were just all around super delicious. They don't have the best deal on the list, but I think they make up for it by far with the quality of the tacos. One thing I'm definitely excited to try is the margaritas. When Sabrina and I went, we didn't get one, so that might be a video in the future, best margarita in downtown Long Beach. You can't really go wrong with any of these places because I will definitely be going back to all of them. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please drop a like below and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos on Long Beach, traveling, and Disney, and other things like that. See you in the next one. Peace.